the whole of racism still remains in the heart of this country and perhaps in our own hearts. You need only to turn on the news to see this. Let us not ignore the whole. Let us name it. Let us feel the tenderness and the grief. But let us also not become stagnant, so that we might see the possibility for an expanse, an openness to what could be. Spirit, be our guide, so that we might see beyond borders, beyond cement walls, and work together to witness your kingdom here on earth. Amen.